Can you imagine a future where artificial intelligence is the key to unlocking untold wealth? That future is here now. The potential of AI in wealth generation is staggering. The AI industry is experiencing exponential growth, transforming the landscape for entrepreneurs and businesses alike. Just think about it. AI is revolutionizing various sectors, from healthcare to finance, retail to logistics. It's streamlining operations, enhancing customer experiences, and most importantly, cutting costs while boosting revenues. It's not just about automation anymore, it's about intelligent automation, capable of learning, adapting, and making decisions. These advancements are opening up new avenues for wealth generation. From AI-driven investment strategies to AI-powered business solutions, the opportunities are vast and varied. The bottom line? If you're not leveraging AI, you're leaving money on the table. So let's dive deeper into how you can harness the power of AI to build your empire and generate wealth like never before. Some of the best minds in technology and business have shared their insights on AI and wealth generation in their books. Here's what they have to say. Firstly, the book The Master Algorithm by Pedro Domingos, a leading researcher in machine learning, emphasizes the importance of understanding AI. Domingos argues that the master algorithm, a universal learner capable of deriving all knowledge, past, present, and future, from data, is the key to unlocking the potential of AI. By understanding this concept, one is equipped to exploit the opportunities AI presents for wealth generation. In Machine Platform Crowd, authors Andrew McAfee and Eric Brynjolfsson discuss the shift in the balance of power from traditional institutions to digital platforms. They argue that this shift, driven by AI and other technological advancements, is creating new opportunities for wealth generation. They emphasize the importance of adapting to these changes and leveraging the power of AI. Moving on, AI Superpowers by Kai-Fu Lee, a leading technologist and venture capitalist, explores the potential of AI in wealth generation. Lee discusses how AI is reshaping the global economy and creating new wealth opportunities. He emphasizes the importance of strategic planning and risk management in AI ventures, as the AI landscape is constantly changing and fraught with challenges. In the book, Life 3.0, Being Human in the Age of Artificial Intelligence, physicist Max Tegmark explores the future of AI and its potential impact on society. Tegmark emphasizes the importance of ethical considerations in AI development and highlights how AI can be used to create wealth while also benefiting society as a whole. Finally, The Fourth Industrial Revolution by Klaus Schwab, founder of the World Economic Forum, discusses the transformative power of AI and other technologies. Schwab argues that we are in the midst of a revolution that is blurring the lines between the physical, digital, and biological spheres, and this revolution is creating unprecedented opportunities for wealth generation. These authors make it clear, understanding and implementing AI is key to future wealth generation. Now that we understand the potential of AI, how does one go about building an AI empire? Well, there are a few fundamental steps that provide the bedrock for this endeavor. First and foremost, you need to conduct market research. It's like a treasure hunt, where the treasure is a gap in the market that your AI solution can fill. This gap could be an unmet need, an unsolved problem, or an inefficiency that your AI can streamline. The key is to look for opportunities where AI can make a significant difference. Next, let's talk about opportunities. Opportunities are like gold mines. Once you've found one, it's time to start digging. But instead of a pickaxe, you'll be using AI. This could mean developing an AI that automates a certain process, or an AI that provides insights that were previously inaccessible. The key is to identify where AI can add the most value and then capitalize on that. Now, on to the next step, assembling your team. You wouldn't want to build a house without a skilled architect and construction crew, right? Similarly, you can't build an AI empire without a team of AI experts. This could include data scientists, machine learning engineers, AI researchers, and more. Your team is your biggest asset. They will be the ones to bring your vision to life. Speaking of vision, let's not forget about strategy. Your vision is your destination, and your strategy is the roadmap that will get you there. Having a clear vision and strategy is crucial. It's the guiding force that keeps you on track, helps you make decisions, and motivates you to keep going when things get tough. Building an AI empire is a complex and challenging task, but it's also an exciting and rewarding one. It's a journey filled with discovery, innovation, and growth. And the best part? You're not just building a business, you're shaping the future. The journey to building an AI empire begins with a single step. With the basics covered, let's delve into some advanced strategies for building your AI empire. Data is the new gold, and leveraging it is a crucial step in creating a flourishing AI empire. An effective way to do this is by building robust data sets, which can train your AI to make accurate predictions and decisions. Remember, your AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. But it's not just about quantity. Quality matters. High-quality, diverse data sets can provide your AI with a broad understanding of the world, making it more versatile and effective. Building partnerships is another advanced strategy you should consider. Not only can this provide you with access to more resources and expertise, but it can also open up new opportunities for your business. Consider partnering with other AI companies, universities, or even non-AI businesses. These partnerships can lead to collaborative projects, shared research, and a stronger presence in the AI community. Staying ahead of AI trends and developments is also essential. The world of AI is ever evolving, and what's cutting edge today may be obsolete tomorrow. Regularly attending AI conferences, reading AI journals, and following AI thought leaders can keep you abreast of the latest developments. This knowledge will allow you to adapt your strategies and stay ahead of the curve. But perhaps the most important advanced strategy is continuous learning and adaptation. The AI landscape is constantly changing. New technologies are emerging, regulations are shifting, and the market is continuously evolving. To succeed, you must be willing to learn, adapt, and evolve with it. This could mean learning new programming languages, adapting your business model, or even pivoting your entire focus. Building an AI empire requires not only a solid foundation, but also a willingness to adapt and evolve. In the world of AI, those who are flexible and open to change are the ones who will ultimately thrive. So keep learning, keep adapting, and keep pushing the boundaries. Your AI empire awaits. So, what does the future hold for AI and wealth generation? As we venture forward, the horizon is painted with the vibrant colors of opportunity and innovation. Artificial intelligence is poised to become the backbone of the global economy, driving unprecedented wealth generation. With AI, the realm of possibilities is not just expanding, but exploding, creating a new frontier of opportunities. Imagine a world where AI systems can predict market trends with razor-sharp accuracy, minimizing risk and maximizing returns. Picture an AI-driven world where personalized financial advice is available to everyone, not just the elite. This is not a distant dream, but a fast-approaching reality. The future of AI also holds promise in the realm of entrepreneurship. AI-driven startups that leverage machine learning, deep learning, and other AI technologies are set to disrupt traditional industries, creating a wealth of opportunities for savvy entrepreneurs. But let's not forget, with great opportunity comes great challenges. As AI becomes more prevalent, issues surrounding data privacy, cybersecurity, and ethics will come to the fore. Navigating these challenges will require a deft hand and an innovative mind. However, it's not all doom and gloom. These challenges also present opportunities. The need for secure, ethical AI solutions opens up new avenues for wealth generation. Those who can devise solutions to these complex problems will find themselves at the forefront of a lucrative market. So, where does this leave us? The future of AI and wealth generation is a landscape of limitless potential. It's an exciting dynamic field that offers the opportunity for significant wealth creation for those brave enough to venture into the unknown. The key to success in this brave new world lies in continual learning, adaptation, and innovation. It's about staying ahead of the curve, understanding the trends, and capitalizing on the opportunities they present. The future of AI and wealth generation is bright, and it's waiting for you to seize it. So, gear up, embrace the future, and let's build your AI empire together.